Hey everybody, it's Clint Arthur. I just got off a flight from Acapulco. It's like, what time is it? It's 11, which is 9. It's 9 o'clock here. And you come out, and as soon as you come off the gate, it says Cross-Border Express. So that's where we're going. We're walking to the Cross-Border Express. And I'm gonna make this video. This is a celebrity entrepreneur adventure. Celebrity entrepreneur adventure number 322, I believe the number is. On our way to Phoenix. So we had to get to Phoenix. And I tell you, man, travel is different these days than it used to be. You know, it costs a lot more. And you got to be really creative sometimes. See, here's another sign, Cross-Border Express. I tell you what, the restaurants in this place smell good. I know, me too. So what I did was, remember, you know the story about me and Allie going to the Rolling Stones. It was going to be $4,500 each to return from Amsterdam to California, one way, coach. And that didn't seem like a smart way to do it. So instead of searching for the quickest flight, wow, look at all these Polaris planes, wow. Instead of searching for the fastest trip, I searched for the slowest trip. And that gave me an Aeroflot flight, which was $550 for both of us, and gave us an 18-hour layover in Moscow, which was the most fun part of the whole entire trip. One of the reasons why it was the most fun part of the whole trip, oh, here's a nice little pharmacia. You could probably, yeah, you could definitely get your ivermectin in there. But, you know, when you buy stuff in the airports, it's more expensive. Get your ivermectin in Acapulco. I think the reason why Moscow was so much fun was because the stress was over. You know? Up, Cross-Border Express. See? This is where everyone's going. Safe, easy, clean. Yep. Here I am. Going through. So anyway, and if you ask Allie what was the most fun part of the whole trip, it is Cross-Border Express, USA. Get your baggage. Nice little bathroom break here. A lot of people coming through this Cross-Border Express. See? Cross-Border Express, USA. Cross-Border Express. I already have my ticket. We don't have to stop here. We just... I gotta show him my ticket. Sorry about the break there. I had to show my ticket and I had to show my boarding pass. If you have a paper boarding pass, remember to keep it because you need to have your boarding pass when you go through the machines, okay? But it's very simple. It took like 2 minutes to do it. Allie's already ahead of me. I'm gonna catch up to her. So, the net result of the whole Moscow trip was that we had this unexpected fun overnight excursion in Moscow. And that was her favorite part of the whole trip. Now, for this trip to Houston, it was going to be more than $1,000 to fly through Mexico City to Houston, and we were going to have to spend a night in Mexico City. And I don't mind spending a night in Mexico City. I enjoy spending the night in Mexico City. It's part of my whole slow travel modality. I don't care, but people are waiting for elevators instead of just going in elevators, blocking the way, blah blah blah. Any case, I just, for the heck of it, looked at an alternative route. See, there are direct flights from Acapulco to Tijuana. And I know that San Diego is a great Southwest Airlines hub in California. So I checked the schedules, and you got to leave early. This flight was at 6:15 a.m. Which means you got to get to the airport at 5:15. Domestic flight. And the net result is we're doing this cross-border express, and then we're taking an Uber from Tijuana airport to San Diego airport. That'll be $30-40. And then we're hopping on a Southwest Airlines flight to Phoenix, Arizona, which was $129. So we had to spend an extra night in Acapulco, which I prefer. And then we saved like $700. And got better flight schedules. I think that was part of it. Like the flights timed better so that we arrived in Phoenix earlier. I-94, I don't know what that is. I don't think American citizens have to worry about that. Here it is. Okay? This whole way, very clean and safe. No steps, no hills. We're on a bridge right now. That's what this is. We're on an actual bridge. We are crossing over something right now. You can't see out, but this definitely feels like we're on a bridge. Up, there it is. I'm gonna take this picture. There we go. That's cool. That's a cool photo. Global entry. That's funny. Stay on the same side as me, Allie. Here we are. How's it going?
All right, welcome.
Yeah, you know, they're welcoming people into the United States. It's a very nice bridge.
And warmer.
Yeah, it's warmer here. I don't have global entry because I just haven't taken the time to do the interview. I guess one day we should. Yeah, we had to go. Huh?
Just put away your cell phone.
Okay, thank you. Yep. To put away the cell phone. Well, I'm in the United States now, so I have to put away my cell phone. So there it is. There's immigration. And that's it. Welcome to the United States. I go through there and I'm in the USA. I hop in an Uber. I go to San Diego Airport. That whole thing took 10 minutes. All right, just came through Customs and Border Protection. Yeah. Took no time at all. There's Alan. Exit to USA. Smells freaking good here, man. Jesus. Smells so good. Your reward after a long flight, just a couple of steps away. Wow. That's it. Now we go outside. Look at this, all this. Nice. There's Allie. Now I'm gonna get an Uber. So that's the end, baby. Total time, 11 minutes.